Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. This is a perfect recipe for breakfast and it's really easy and quick to do. In a bowl, whisk 3 eggs with 300 ml of fresh milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in 1 1/4 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then continue whisking. Chop a cup of spinach. Add the cut spinach to the batter and mix. Brush a small-sized skillet with vegetable oil and pour 1 ladle of batter. Swirl around the batter to cover the entire base of the pan. Spinach crepes are ready to serve once cooked until golden brown on both sides. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!